Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World, and today we got an awesome video for you all to check out. Now this watch face is going to be by GS Watch Faces. This guy, he's always getting down. He always has tons of customization. This one here is no exception, so be patient because I'm going to go through all the features and functions that this watch face has to offer. Go get your popcorn, your milk and cookies, your pizza, and come right back. All right, you all, let's go ahead, let's dive right off into this one. The name of the watch face is called Simple Digital 2. Now you're going to have a lot of features and functions in here to check out. Again, be patient. Now in the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look, the same info. It will be dimmed down in the AOD mode, but you'll still be able to see your time and info at a glance with no problem. Once the watch face is on, here's what you're going to be greeted with. First, up at the top, you're going to get the day of the week. You're going to get your date and your month. Now, come down a little bit and you're going to get a nice big bold digital time that's very legible, and I'm loving the font on this one. Also, you got an AM PM stamp right next to it. You come down, it is geared to a fitness, so you get your heart rate information, calories burned, and your steps. Right up under that, here's where we're going to tap into the features and functions that makes this watch face the ultimate digital watch face that you could download in the Gear Manager store. All right, so let's go ahead, let's get started. First off, we're going to tap right here. We're going to tap on display, and here we can change it to 12, 24 hours. If you like 24 hours, you can leave it there. I like 12. You can change the date setup. Also, here are the modes. Now, I like this one, right? I got digital, which I like. You got analog, and if you want, you can have it in hybrid. That'll be totally up to you. We're going to leave it on digital. We're going to hit this arrow to go back, and we're going to go here. We can change that to miles. Heart rate information, you can set it for 1 minute, 10 minutes, whatever you want to set, never. I'm going to tap on always, and we're going to come down here. Now we can customize these so far as your information for your step status. So if I want to change it to battery, I can change it to battery if I want to. If I want to change this here to, let's say, let's go back into this. Let's change it to distance. All right, and you can see it change. So those are some of the things you can do with this one, which I'm loving. Now let's go out, and we're going to go into fonts. Now here you can set the color if you want to, have you see fit. Let's go back and tap here, and let's do this kind of burnt orange. All right, I'm loving it. I am loving it. This is nice, right? You can customize however you see fit, but let's go back out, and we want to mess with the font a little bit. Just tap on the font, and you can change this to however font you would like to have this on for how you're feeling for that day. We're gonna leave it on this kooky one, and now we're gonna go back, and we're gonna go to background. So of course, you know, you can change the color of the background. Let's do green this time. We're gonna hit OK. And you can still customize the color of your numbers if you want to. That'll be totally up to you. We can add image. We're not going to go into that. That simply means that whatever picture you have set on your phone, I'll let you look at it. You can set it to that if you like. And we're not going to set it. We really want to go back. But let's tap OK, just to let you see. That's what happens. But one thing that you're not going to be able to do is to set your color changing to auto. You can't do it with image. You got to do it with color. So we're going to put it back on color and leave it there. Now you got textures. Now the textures is nice. You got different textures. Maybe we need to change this to a darker color. Let's change it to a darker color. Let's put it back on blue. So yes, let's go to texture. And now we can change it to the many different texture colors for however you like. And you get quite a few with this one. Not bad at all. To select, and we're going to go out, and of course we want to leave this on. Right now we have it off, and so let's bag out and down the shade. Now you can shade this out if you want to. I know many of you may not use this. I'm going to cut it on just to give you an idea of what it's going to change to. It kind of darkens it out to a black tone, which is not bad. Me personally, I'm going to leave it right on 50%. And then I'm going to cut it off. All right, so we're set there. I thought that was nice. A lot of features and functions within this watch face, right? But he doesn't end there. So once we tap here, Now we can set favorites. We got 4 in all. We can select and pick one. Let's choose calendar. Let's tap here. Let's choose select. And let's do phone. And let's hit select. And let's choose music. And we can select this one. And what do we want to put it to? Spotify. And there you go. So now you have 4 favorites that you can set to make this watch face just that much more convenient. We're going to hit the arrow to go out, and voila, there you go. GS always gets down, and definitely it's worth its weight in gold in the Gear Manager store. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.